Do you find it time-consuming to manually add missing product data? Generate short descriptions based on product name, brand, and product features in bulk with Store Manager for PrestaShop software. If you do not have the software yet, it is a perfect time to get a free trial now. Let's get started. Before we proceed with short description generation, let's check the data we have now. My products do not have a short description yet. Here you can see that it is empty. Let's check this product on the front end. No short description here as well. One more thing that is worth mentioning is that we are going to use product features to generate short descriptions. So make sure that you have features available before using this prompt. I have product features available for these products, so I'll go ahead to prompt editing now. For that, go to ChatGPT menu and open Prompt Book. Here you will see a list of prompts available at the moment that can be applied massively. Also here you can find a macros list with product fields that can be used to generate product content. Play around with your prompt to make sure it allows you to generate the perfect content per your needs. I will generate the short description and use the product name, product brand, and product features in my prompt. Also here you can create a new prompt for any other target field. Once you are done with your prompt, go back to the products list and select all products that you would like to apply this prompt to. I would recommend selecting a few products to check the result before applying this prompt to all products. Use the ChatGPT button to open content generation settings. Here you can select the prompt that you would like to apply and action to be performed. In my case, I will replace product short description with the one generated with ChatGPT. Let's run the process and go to the tasks queue to see the ChatGPT in action. The status is changed from pending to generated. Here you can see the response from ChatGPT before applying it to your products. If you're satisfied with the result, hit apply for each product one by one or in bulk. Once the changes are applied, you can check the updated short description. Also, let's check one product on the front end. Do not forget to refresh the page to see the result. You can perform this action for all your products in bulk. Also, you can append or prepend generated texts, or use other product fields like color, size, or any other. We hope this video was helpful in demonstrating how Store Manager for PrestaShop and ChatGPT plugin can simplify your data generation process. Take advantage of our free trial and try Store Manager for PrestaShop and free ChatGPT today.